Hello guys, today we have see what is mean by SQL and what are the types or commands in SQL like DDL, DML, DCL and TCL. So SQL stands for Structure Query Language. So it is a scripting language to access database. It include data creation, deletion, modifying rows, etc. So SQL is used to communicate with database. So SQL is not a database. It is just a scripting language that is used for communicate with database. And it is used to manage relational database and perform various operation on that data. So relational database means the data that has well organized and stored in rows and columns, and the data that has predefined relationship between them. These are the relational data. So SQL is used for manage this relational database. So we have some relational database management system. This system is used to maintain the database. So these are Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, and the Oracle. With respect to all these characteristics and function, SQL are further classified into their types. That's called SQL commands. So these are data definition language, is DDL, data manipulation language, that's DML, data control language, DCL, and the transaction control language, TCL. The first one is data definition language, DDL. It is used for create a database, and the command included in DDL is create. It is used for create a new table or a database. Alter. Alter is used for add or modify column in existing database. Then truncate. Truncate is used for delete all the rows in one go. And then drop. Drop is used for remove the table from database. Rename. Rename just used for rename the table. These are all DDL command. Then next is DML, data manipulation language. It is used for to do some action on the data that is present in the table. So if you want to do some action on the data that is actually present on the table, then you use DML commands. And the command that include in DML is first is select. Select is used for retrieve data from database. Then insert. Insert is used for insert the data into table. Update. Update is used for update existing data within a table. And then delete. Delete is used for delete record from the table. So these are all DML command. Next one is a DCL, a data control language. Its name suggests it's a data control, means it control the access of stored data. So the command that included in DCL is grant and revoke. Grant is used give access of the data. Means if you're a manager and if you have to give some access to your employee to access that data and to do some action on the data, so that's a grant. And revoke. Revoke is just cancel the granted permission what we have given. And the next is transaction control language, TCL. So TCL is used to manage the changes made by DML statement or DML command. So whatever we have DML command like select, delete, update, insert, all of these DML command. So if you have to manage changes made by the DML command, then you use TCL. And the TCL command include commit, rollback, and save point. So commit is used to save the changes made by the table permanently. Rollback is used to undo the transaction that have not been saved in the database. And save point just used to roll back transaction to a specified point. Means simple word, save point means it is used to roll back some part of the transaction instead of entire the transaction. This is the save point. So these are all the SQL command. So I hope you understand what is meant by SQL and all of the SQL commands. Thanks for watching.